Hare Krishna. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more notifications. Please like, share, and comment. Thank you. Today I will share with you who is Srimati Radharani. People in general do not know about Radharani. Radha Tattva is a very confidential subject matter which is hidden even from the Vedas. As a result, there are many misconceptions or no conceptions at all about Radharani. Srila Prabhupada says the two transcendentalists, Radha and Krishna, are a puzzle to materialists. The description of Radha and Krishna from the diary of Srila Swarupa Damodara Goswami is a condensed explanation, but one needs great spiritual insight to understand the mystery of these two personalities. Radharani is not some ordinary lady or even some special lady of this material world with whom Lord Krishna was having his pastimes. She is the pleasure giving potency of the Lord, rendering service unto him eternally in the material and spiritual realms. In his book Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadasa Kavirasa Goswami has explained about Radharani by quoting a verse from the diary of Srila Swarupa Damodara Goswami. राधा कृष्ण प्राणया विकृतिर हलधिनी शक्तिरस्मात् एकात्मनाव अपि भुवि पुरदेहविदं गतौ तौ चैतन्यख्यां प्रकृतम् अधुना तद्भयां चैक्यम् अपतां राधाभावद्युति सुवलितां नौमि कृष्णस्वरूपं राधा कृष्ण एक आत्मा दुई देहादरी इनियोने विलसे रसा अस्वधाना खरी. The loving affairs of Sri Radha and Krishna are transcendental manifestations of the Lord's internal pleasure-giving potency. Although Radha and Krishna are one in their identity, they separated themselves eternally. Now these two transcendental identities have again united in the form of Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. I bow down to him who has manifested himself with the sentiment and complexion of Srimati Radharani, although he is Krishna himself. Radha and Krishna are one and the same, but they have assumed two bodies. Thus they enjoy each other, tasting the mellows of love. The two transcendentalists, Radha and Krishna, are a puzzle to materialists. The above description of Radha and Krishna from the diary of Srila Swarupa Damodara Goswami is a condensed explanation, but one needs great spiritual insight to understand the mystery of these two personalities. One is enjoying in two. Sri Krishna is the potent factor and Srimati Radharani is the internal potency. According to Vedanta philosophy, there is no difference between the potent and the potency. They are identical. We cannot differentiate between one and the other any more than we can separate fire from heat. In fact, Radharani is the internal potency of Sri Krishna and she eternally intensifies the pleasure of Sri Krishna. Impersonalists cannot understand this without the help of a Mahabhagavata devotee. The very name Radha suggests that Srimati Radharani is eternally the topmost mistress of the comforts of Sri Krishna. As such, she is the medium transmitting the living entity's service to Sri Krishna. Devotees in Vrindavan therefore seek the mercy of Srimati Radharani in order to be recognized as loving servitors of Sri Krishna. Radharani is a manifestation of Krishna's love. Sri Radha is the Haladini Shakti or the pleasure giving potency of Krishna. Krishna is energetic and Radha is energy. Radha and Krishna are one Atma in the sense that they are called Shakti and Shaktiman. Even though they are one Atma, still from time immemorial, they have manifested in two different forms in Goloka Vrindavan to enjoy sweet pastimes. Swayam Bhagavan Krishna has unlimited potencies categorized in three divisions: the internal potency or Antaranga Shakti, the external potency or Bahiranga Shakti, and marginal potency or Tatashta Shakti. The marginal potency is called as Jiva Shakti. The external energy is the energy by which this material world is manifested, maintained, and annihilated. The internal potency is his potency by he maintains his spiritual world. The internal potency, which is known as Shwarupa Shakti or Chit Shakti, has three aspects. Shandini Shakti is his aspect of eternal existence, the Lord's existential potency by which he maintains his existence. The essential portion of the Sandhini potency is Shuddha Sattva. Lord Krishna's existence rests upon it. Krishna's mother, father, abode, houses, bedding, seats, and so on are all transformations of Shuddha Sattva. Samvit Shakti is his aspect of cognizance or cognitive potency, which is also accepted as knowledge, by which potency the Lord knows himself and causes others to know him. The essence of the Samvit potency is knowledge that the Supreme Personality of Godhead is Lord Krishna. Haladini Shakti is his aspect of bliss by which the Lord gets pleasure and devotees are nourished. By this, he possesses transcendental bliss and causes his devotees to experience bliss. Now we will discuss particularly about Haladini Shakti. Halidinira Shara Prema Prema Shara Bhava Bhavera Paramakasta Nama Mahabhava. The essence of the Halidini potency is love of God. The essence of love of God is emotion, that means bhava, and the ultimate development of emotion is Mahabhava. Mahabhava Shwarupa Sri Radha Thakurani Sarvaguna Kani Krishna Kanta Shiromani. Sri Radha Thakurani is the embodiment of Mahabhava. She is the repository of all good qualities and the crest jewel among all the lovely concepts of Lord Sri Krishna. Krishna Prema Bhavitayanra Chitendriya Khaya Krishna Nija Shakti Radha Kritidara Sahaya. Her mind, senses, and body are steeped in love for Krishna. She is Krishna's own energy and she helps him in his pastimes. Srimati Radharani is as fully spiritual as Krishna. No one should consider her to be material. She is definitely not like the conditioned souls who have material bodies, gross and subtle, covered by material senses. She is all spiritual, and both her body and her mind are of the same spiritual embodiment. Because her body is spiritual, her senses are also spiritual. Thus, her body, mind, and senses fully shine in love of Krishna. She is the personified Halidini Shakti, that means the pleasure giving energy of the Lord's internal potency, and therefore she is the only source of enjoyment for Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna cannot enjoy anything that is internally different from him. Therefore, Radha and Sri Krishna are identical. The Shandini portion of Sri Krishna's internal potency has manifested the all attractive form of Sri Krishna, and the same internal potency in the Halidini features has presented Srimati Radharani, who is the attraction for the all attractive. No one can match Srimati Radharani in the transcendental pastimes of Sri Krishna. कृष्णाकान्तगानादेकी त्रिविधा प्रकारा एकलक्ष्मी गणापुरी महिषी गणारा व्रजांगना रूपा अरकांता गणासरा श्रीराधिका हेति कांता गणेरा विस्तरा. The beloved concepts of Lord Krishna are of three kinds: the goodness of fortune, the queens, and the milkmaids of Raja, who are the foremost of all. The concepts all proceed from Radhika. Avatari Krishna Yechi Kara Avatara Amsini Radhaheti Tinaganera Vistara. Just as the fountainhead Lord Krishna is the cause of all incarnations, so Sri Radha is the cause of all these concerts. Govinda Nandini Radha, Govinda Mohini, Govinda Sarvasva, Sarvakanta Siromani. Radha is the one who gives pleasure to Govinda, and she is also the enchantress of Govinda. She is the be all and end all of Govinda, and the crest jewel of all his concerts. In Brihad Gautamiya Tantra, it has been stated, Devi Krishna Mai Prokta Radhika Paradevata Sarva Lakshmi Mai Sarva Kanti Sammohini Para. The transcendental goodness Srimati Radharani is the direct counterpart of Lord Sri Krishna. She is the central figure for all the goodness of fortune. She possesses all the attractiveness to attract the all attractive personality of Godhead. She is the primeval internal potency of the Lord. Jagat Mohana Krishna Tanhara Mohini Ateva Samastera Paratha Kurani. Lord Krishna enchants the world, but Sri Radha enchants even him. Therefore, she is the supreme goddess of all. Radha Purna Shakti Krishna Purna Shaktiman Doi Vastu Bidanai Shastra Paramana. Shri Radha is the full power and Lord Krishna is the possessor of full power. The two are not different as evidenced by the revealed scriptures. Radha Krishna Echi Sada Ekaye Swarupa Leela Rasa Asvadait Dare Doi Rupa. Thus Radha and Lord Krishna are one, yet they have taken two forms to enjoy the mellows of pastimes. Radhika Hayina Krishnera Pranaya Vikara Swarupa Shakti Haladini Namayen Hara. Srimati Radhika is the transformations of Krishna's love. She is his internal energy called as Halidini. Halidini Karaya Krishna Ananda Swadana Halidini Radharakari Bhaktera Poshana. That Halidini energy gives Krishna pleasure and nourishes his devotees. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Srimati Radharani ki jai, Shri Radha Krishna Chandra Bhagavan ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Nitai Gaur Shitananda Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and please press the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you. Hare Krishna.